Amen.
Umubajwe kwa harimu Kiza Vincent warwumbo Dikoni kuba Reverend Oyijwire ashaba Joan watunga obudikoni Reverend Ronald Agaba akidikoni wa Ibanda wajwe kwa obwa Canon n'abandi abajwe kwa oburuzi.
Vincent Kiza tola oyinza okubuuliranga enjiri ya Kristo ng'okozesa Bayibuli eno kikyawandiikibwa ekitukuvu byonna yonna Katonda gy'anaakutumanga era ng'owuliriza omwoyo omutukuvu.
Reverend Vincent Kiza owakyabashwa wajwekwa obwa Canon Kanda Katora n'okubasaba Deacon w'ekicweka kya Greater Kitara omuri Kazo Ibanda Kiruhura Kitagwenda n'ezindi yagira ngu beteekateekire kutunga obureeberezi.
Twine kwikiriza ngu obureeberezi bwitu habw'okuba kumanya ngu Ruhanga abe yakikozire itwe tube twatangire kuteera n'amatafaari naki twayiteekanize tutakamanya n'eki tukwenda kufuna.
Reverend Ronald Agaba owajwe kubwa Kanoni yasima obuheereza kubahika heyi.
Bite cyo mutano icyatushemeza munonga no kureba ngo banyuma y'urukiko rwa Bishop Stama watongoza Kitagwenda Ibanda Kazo hamwe na Kiruhura kandi kubo burebereza kandi ubayita Greater Kitara Diocese Worldwide Anglican Church.
Robert Mugabe umutembuzi MP wa Kitagwenda yasima Bishop ahabo kusima no kwatanisa na government.
Most of the churches, they don't appreciate the leadership of Uganda. And as you are aware, church leadership and government leadership, they have to work hand in hand for us to be well in this country, for us to have services. So, nitwenda kusima edini, abokuba Archbishop nolebo mukwegesa kwe, nasima government obwebembezi bwayo.
Makuraga gasha kwa Christine Charukunda umuri Kitagwenda.